Hello everyone, and welcome to this month's adult take-home craft. Today, we'll be creating our own DIY Zen garden. Today, everything we need is provided in the craft kit. The libraries provide the wooden box, the white sand, and decorations like rocks and a small grassy knoll. We've also provided an improvised rake in the form of a bamboo toothpick. To start, we're going to put our white sand into the wooden tray. Once it's all in, shake the tray gently until the sand is smooth. Next, you take your different decorations and place them in the sand. Make sure to spread them out for the best effect. For the grassy knoll, depending on what kind you got, you may want to put it in a corner and bury it a bit in the sand to hide the styrofoam bottom. You can put as many or as little pieces as you want in your Zen garden. You can even include items from home if you like them better. Next, take your rake, in this case our toothpick, and outline the different pieces of decor in thin lines to mimic water. You can reorganize your decorations as many times as you like. Creating a Zen garden is a great way to reduce stress, improve your focus, and develop a sense of well-being. If you don't like how your lines are turning out in the sand, you can always use the larger end of the toothpick to try and smooth things out. Or, if you want to start over, gently shake the tray until the sand is smooth once again. And there you have it! Place this on your desk, a bookshelf, or somewhere where you can see and enjoy your garden during a busy day. Make sure to pick up your craft kit while supply lasts. They're in limited supply and first come, first serve. Stay tuned for next month's take-home craft.